By contrasting several affiliate program websites and blogs, we looked at current trends and lucrative affiliate marketing topics to offer you a better sense of how to choose a niche. We will discuss some well-liked themes that a novice affiliate marketer can start with, including some that are related to hobbies and those that may call for specialized knowledge. Here is our list of the top affiliate marketing niches you may choose from after taking into account the advantages, the level of competition, and statistics. 1. Fashion. Although fashion is regarded as a mainstream specialty, it offers a number of sub-niches, so there are numerous options for you to investigate. On your website, for instance, you might write about antique clothing and accessories, while keeping fashion as your main subject. Another strategy is to concentrate all of your efforts on promoting goods in a single, narrow niche that has a high volume of customers. Fashion is a great career choice because there is always a market for stylish goods and trends change frequently. Through social media, you can quickly discover what people are looking for to stay up to date with the latest trends. Moreover, trends can aid in the planning of your content and the identification of precise target markets. There are several lucrative fashion affiliate programs you can join, from high-end goods to regional labels. Some of the finest examples for those looking to break into the luxury apparel market are Nordstrom and Net-a-Porter, both of which provide commissions that can range from 1% to 11%. You can try ShopStyle and New Chick in the time. They each give 20% and 50% commission. The method of promoting clothing products is not simple, though. To develop your unique look that entices potential buyers to click your links and purchase the products, you'll need to have a strong sense of fashion. 2. Travel. An ex-professional travel planner is the owner of the travel inspiration and destination website, The Travel Buddy. Due to safety precautions and restrictions, the travel industry has suffered from the epidemic during the previous 2 years. The business is, however, slowly making a comeback, and many believe that once things start to get better, it will take off quickly. As a result, in the not-too-distant future, the tourism sector will once again become an excellent affiliate specialty. International events and business travel continue to take place despite the situation, so you can even start the process of becoming an affiliate now. A luxury product promotion is also a possibility when taking into account the prospective client bases. By posting reviews or advice on your website, you can cover a number of hot themes, such as city tours, work vacations, and family vacations. Additionally, promote regional attractions on social media to interact with potential clients and increase website traffic. A successful content marketing approach may lead to business relationships in the tourism industry. Booking.com and other international online travel providers run an affiliate marketing program with significant compensation rates of up to 34%. Additionally, you can try signing up for Klook's affiliate marketing network if you want to focus on Asian markets. 3. Technological. There will always be something new to discover in the technology sector, which is expanding. In addition, the pandemic has accelerated digitalization, creating new demands for well-known apps and programs to facilitate distant work and online commerce. In addition, 5 billion people used the internet globally in 2022. With such a sizable market, you can write about anything on your website, like web hosting, mobile apps, or editing software reviews. If gadgets and equipment are more your thing, video reviews are also very popular. You can pick from a variety of successful tech affiliate marketing programs like Impact and Rakuten. Additionally, you can test out the well-known affiliate programs from SEMrush, Microsoft, and WordPress. To generate effective marketing inside the technology sector, you will require superior technical understanding and a larger budget. 4. Education. Given the widespread need for a variety of online courses as a result of the epidemic, the education sector makes for a lucrative affiliate marketing niche. The global e-learning market is anticipated to reach $400 billion by 2026, according to studies. Online coaches are increasingly using education affiliate marketing schemes as a result of their popularity. The benefit of education affiliate marketing is that it doesn't require you to have prior teaching experience to promote educational products. To avoid common affiliate marketing errors, it is strongly advised that you understand and have experience in the education field. On your website, you can advertise for books, materials, or online learning. For instance, there are a variety of courses available, including writing workshops, kid-friendly coding lessons, and boot camps for digital marketing. In addition, Coursera provides an affiliate network with a referral commission of up to 45%. You'll need to be knowledgeable about a few schooling subniches. 5. Gaming. On its YouTube channel, Vanas Gaming reviews several game genres. According to forecasts, the gaming sector will bring in more than $250,000 by 2025, making it a profitable affiliate marketing specialty. Due to the wide range of genres and platforms available, it is possible to target customers from various age groups or market sectors when it comes to gaming. The gaming market is also expandable. These days, esport competitions are hugely popular and becoming more professional. When you have experience in the gaming industry, there are numerous ways to enhance your affiliate marketing plan. Influencers in the gaming industry are also well liked on YouTube and earn actual money from their material. Before purchasing a new gaming machine or video game, consumers will turn to influencers for personal recommendations. You can try popular gaming subjects like PC or console-only game reviews or gaming gear and accessories. For games you're good at, record playthroughs, or make video guides. 6. Home decor. A fun, expanding, and lucrative affiliate marketing field is home decor. Its market value is anticipated to rise by 20% in 2024 to $202 billion. If you enjoy decorating as a pastime and want to earn money online, you may want to have a look at this specialty. People are constantly looking for methods to make their homes more comfortable. We now spend even more time at home, and more people do all of their work from home. Therefore, furnishing our homes with a work-friendly ambience and setting is crucial. Additionally, some people may choose to decorate their residence with a theme to offer distinctive aesthetics. No matter if it's for aesthetics or productivity, home decor is a highly desirable specialty. There are several sub-niches in home decor, including luxury homes, Victorian-style homes, and minimalist homes. You can apply tactics like home product reviews, decorating ideas, and room decor inspiration. You might also try using guest posting to increase traffic.